Eye protection must be worn at an industrial sewing machine if you have just changed or adjusted the presser foot. If the presser foot is not attached correctly, it is possible for the needle to hit it, break, and send a piece flying in the direction of your face. Once you have made the first few stitches and are certain the needle, presser foot, and bobbin are all seated in the machine correctly and securely, then you may take off the eye protection. Please make sure to note the safety procedures posted at each station. If something breaks or won't work right, stop using the machine and clearly place the emergency tent on top. Let the monitor on duty or other AIBI staff know that something has gone wrong. The single needle lock stitch sewing machine is designed to allow you to switch out the presser foot. Changing the presser foot means that you can use different stitching techniques. All 4 of AIBI's single needle machines should have a variety of presser feet available for your use. Standard foot. Standard foot with finger guard. Left and right zipper foot. Invisible zipper foot. Rolled hem foot. And gathering foot. To change out the presser foot, unscrew the foot from the post. Set the new presser foot in place and make sure that it is seated firmly before tightening the screw. Advance the needle manually to make sure that the needle will not hit the new foot while stitching. To use the left and right zipper foot with a standard coil zipper, often you can use a simple top stitching method. First baste the seam closed, then lay the closed zipper into place. For example, when using the left zipper foot, the zipper is placed to the right of the foot. It should fit close next to the zipper while you are stitching. Once the zipper is stitched on both sides, you should be able to open the seam back up and allow the zipper to function. If you had to start the stitching below where the zipper pool was, you should be able to stitch the remaining sections on each side at this time. An invisible zipper works a little differently. First, you can prep your invisible zipper by marking where to start and stop the stitching on both sides of the zipper and the fabric to help keep it aligned. Then unzip it and lightly press the coil flat with the lowest heat setting. The coil will still stand up, but will now fit into the channels of the presser foot easily. The zipper is stitched into place while it is unzipped, stitching one side at a time. When you are done, you should have a nice smooth surface with the zipper behind it and no top stitching. The rolled hem foot creates a very nice, narrow hem, but it can be tricky to start. Try starting further down the edge and work the fabric into the curve of the foot by moving it back and forth a bit, almost like flossing. Then you can slide the fabric back up to the start. Use your fingers to help curl the edge under. Once you have the fabric in place, you can lower the presser foot and just start stitching. As you can see, it may take a bit of practice to get an even seam every time. The gathering foot seems to work almost by magic, gathering the fabric as you stitch. You can adjust the tension and stitch length to increase or decrease the amount of the gathers. Looser tension and a longer stitch will gather more fabric.